We're probably dumb. Why are they following us, those stalkers?
Michelle, what are we doing?
What's this song called?
Probably I Know You Want.
I know why you're in the hood. Oh, I'm like you need a car. Shut up. They're still stalking us.
Hit him, hit him!
No, seriously, hit him.
No. Why would I do that?
Look, I'm gonna chase this down. Grandpa's gonna hit us with his truck.
Why, he's gonna chase him in his truck in his yard? No.
How dumb.
How dumb are you?
Grandpa is stalking us.
I'm sorry if we were gonna hit something.
I feel like my tire's falling off. Because it's like rattling. If the tire falls off, run for it.
This song is so weird.
I can't wait till October 11th or 10th, whatever.
Oh wait, I gotta make a position change. Stop, what are you doing? Let's just see here, I can get in there.
I've heard of this song before.
Yes, it is!
Do I say it?
Hey, listen, stop for a second.